Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert SPayLater to ShopeePay. First, open the Shopee app on your phone and make sure you are logged in to your account. Now, go to the Me section from the bottom menu and tap on SPayLater to check your limit, bills, and usage details. Next, understand that direct conversion from SPayLater to ShopeePay is not available. Shopee does not offer any option to transfer SPayLater balance into ShopeePay, and this rule is still the same in 2026. After that, SPayLater can only be used while shopping. When you reach the checkout page, select SPayLater as the payment method to buy items. It works only for purchases and not as a wallet balance. Now, sometimes Shopee allows mixed payments where SPayLater and ShopeePay can't be used together. This option depends on the seller, product, and Shopee's currency policy, so it may not appear every time. Then, if you need money in ShopeePay, you must top up ShopeePay separately using a bank transfer, debit card, credit card, or other supported cash-in methods. SPayLater cannot be used for ShopeePay top-ups. So, in 2026, SPayLater cannot be converted into ShopeePay. It is only meant for paying for Shopee purchases, while ShopeePay needs to be funded using external payment options. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.